Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites quickly. Add, DNS, and SQL must respond, and time must be synchronized. Once done, sign in with the admin account that has site permissions, because missing rights will stop progress. Open the Configuration Manager console and connect to the target site server. This is where you perform collections, applications, and deployments. Make sure to note the site code and the primary management point, since you'll use those values for boundaries, discovery, and client settings as you proceed. Next, you configure discovery and boundaries so clients can be found and managed. Start by creating IP, AD site, and subnet boundaries, then combine them into meaningful boundary groups. This ensures content flows to the right distribution points. Once boundaries exist, enable AD system discovery and heartbeat discovery, and set sensible schedules to reduce network impact. After that, add distribution points and assign your content. Without DPs in the boundary group, clients won't receive packages. These steps let you manage devices reliably across the network. Finally, deploy the SCCM client by your chosen method, GPO, client push, or script, and confirm client health with Client Notification and Resource Explorer. Once clients report, build collections and deploy applications or packages, setting maintenance windows to control reboots and network load. Monitor progress in the monitoring workspace and read key logs like CCM setup and client location to verify installation paths. If something goes wrong, run CM pivot or client notification to wake or repair clients, and check the management point and DP connectivity as your first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.